In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Zendesk API token in our comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're new to Zendesk or just looking to streamline your workflow, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. By the end of this video, you'll have your API token ready to integrate with Zendesk services. So let's dive right in. First, we're starting by heading to the Zendesk website. You can do this by opening a web browser and typing in zendesk.com, or just clicking the link if you're following along with written instructions. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign in option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll be guided to the login page. On the login page, you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. Make sure to use the credentials associated with your Zendesk admin account to ensure you have the necessary permissions to generate an API token. After entering your credentials, simply hit sign in. Once signed in, we'll move to the settings icon, which you'll find on the left hand side of your dashboard interface. Clicking this icon will open up multiple options. Here, what we're interested in is the Go to Admin Center link, which can sometimes be hidden in a drop-down, so make sure to open any menus if it's not immediately visible. The Admin Center is the control hub for managing various settings. Here, look for the Apps and Integrations option. Clicking this will lead you to a list of various integration points. What we want here is the Conversations API. Selecting this will begin the setup for the API token. You'll now see a few fields to complete your API integration details. Here you'll need to type in a name for your API token. This could be anything that helps you identify the purpose or application of this token, such as Zendesk mobile app or customer widget. Once you've entered the name, you'll want to click Next. You'll be guided to a new screen. This step is crucial because after you click through, you'll be presented with the ID for your API token. This ID is what allows you to integrate Zendesk functionalities into other applications seamlessly. To do so, you'll need to copy this ID carefully. Make sure not to share this ID freely, as it's a sensitive piece of information that grants access to your Zendesk data. And there you have it, you've successfully created and obtained an API token for Zendesk. This token will now allow you to integrate Zendesk effortlessly with other applications or services. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy coding.